I'm Adrian Harris with the Blueprint News Network, and I'm with
Eleanor Losnicka.
and
And
today we're going to be talking about hair and the ways that we style it and take care of it. So first of all, what do you two do to like take care of your hair and like style it and stuff?
I try to wash it once or twice a week because washing it too often isn't good for your hair because that breaks away the natural oils on your scalp. After I wash my hair, I go and I put a leave-in conditioner and oil in it to keep it like soft and smooth throughout the week, and then in between I like just use dry shampoo and stuff like that to keep it looking fresh.
Yeah, I also wash my hair once or twice a week, and I put lots of conditioner in my hair when I wash it, and hair oil. I use hair oil.
So do you try and use like more natural products?
Yeah, I would say so.
And then like after washing, do you just like dry it or do you do anything else with that?
I don't use heat on my hair. I try not to.
Yeah, same. I usually let it air dry, and then if I do style it, it's not going to be with a hairdryer. It's going to be like with a wand or something.
So would you say that like the heat sort of is worse for the hair compared to like other methods of drying it?
Yeah.
Just like general hair stuff, like do you have any tips or like?
I would say if like there's something wrong with like your hair routine and like you feel like you're not getting the results you want based on how your hair is holding up throughout the week, to try to experiment like mismatching like different shampoos and conditioner to try to find like the one that fits the best for you, and just keeping in the back of your mind that like drugstore products are always a good alternative because like sometimes the expensive stuff is just expensive and it's kind of just a waste of your time.
Yeah, I'd say don't use heat on hair because it damages it. And also get trims for like regularly so it isn't too damaged at the ends. And I shampoo my scalp twice instead of once to make sure it's really clean.
A lot of people use like sea salt spray and stuff. So like those products, would you like recommend those, or would you ever use those yourself?
I'd say it depends on the type of hair. Like if it's wavy or like curly or straight.
Yeah, I agree with what she's saying, but I also know a lot of like guys use that a lot in order to like maintain their hair and get that volume.
So hair care like depends a lot based on like the length, the like volume and style and all of that.
Mm-hmm. Exactly, yeah.
So like would you say that there's like one sort of like fix all, cure all for all styles, or would you say it just depends more on like your own style and preferences?
I would say it definitely depends like on you and your style and your preferences, because like if me and her even like have the same hair, like there might be like a style that works better for me than on her, and different ways of preparation that you would use to prepare for that style. So I would say it definitely depends like most on you as an individual.
And then do you prefer to just do sort of everything yourself, or do you like to like go out and get it done by professionals, or?
My mom has a friend that does my hair, like dyes it for me, and trims it for a nice price. So I usually go to my mom's friends.
I'm gonna think of one more question, but like, just is there anything people should generally avoid? I know things like heat and stuff were mentioned, but is there just like general things that are like really bad that a lot of people do or just shouldn't do?
A lot of people overwash their hair, or when they do wash their hair, they don't do it correctly because like they don't correctly like you know, like get all the spots of their hair, because like the head is like a big, like it's a big piece to like wash and stuff like that. And sometimes like if you're not paying extra attention to what you're doing, like even the smallest bit of like buildup can like pretty much like ruin your hair for that entire week because it just feels gross.
My sister, she puts conditioner on her roots, which for some people can make their hair like greasy.
Right. That was our podcast. Once again, I'm Adrian Harris with the Blueprint News Network, and this was
Eleanor Lesnicka
and
Haley Muchowski.
thank you very much.